In this video, I'll guide you through how to get TradingView alerts on your iPhone. So for that, you're going to be making sure that your alerts are on. Now for getting your alerts, make sure that you have set up different kind of alerts that you would like to be getting. And you can see we have values and everything basically changing momentarily in different intervals of time. So to get your alerts, you can simply set up different alerts using the features inside your TradingView. And one thing that I recommend is you can head over to your alert section, and in here you can create your alert. You can see you can set up your symbols, you have your price set up and your volume. Once you set up all of these, you can click on create and it will be providing you the alert. You can see it is now active. You can simply select and remove it if you do not want that, and you can see you can pause it. And yeah, so that's how you can receive your alerts. By the way, you can get $15 starter bonus if you head over to the link in the description below on TradingView, and that is going to be really helping you guys out. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one.